Hey, did you know the Hoover Dam, one of the greatest engineering marvels of the 20th century, also had some really odd advertising moments? Let me explain. On October 1st, 1936, the Hoover Dam was officially completed and dedicated in a grand ceremony. But instead of just focusing on the incredible achievement, some of the speeches were oddly sales-focused. Yup, you heard that right. In the middle of celebrating one of the most important infrastructure projects in history, the companies that supplied the concrete were getting their shout-outs like it was a big old sponsored event. Imagine going to a historic dedication and hearing, "Don't forget, folks, this dam brought to you by the finest cement money can buy." But hey, I guess even world-changing projects need a good promo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more weird history moments.